Yo, what's up, guys? I'm so hyped because it's raining today. He's excited. The rain gets him wild. And the roads, we finally got us some mud. We're about to ride, but... Dude, stop! Whenever I pull out an electronic device and point it at the floor, he automatically thinks it's the laser because I play with him with the laser and he likes chasing the laser. So he starts looking around. Look at this fool. There's not even a laser! What are you after? Alright. Let's put the GoPro on. Alright, Bubba, you gonna stay in the yard. You're staying in the yard because, you know, you're not riding the four-wheeler because I'm trying to have fun and go through the mud and you like to jump off and chase after stuff. For some reason, no one knows why. He's a little special. Throw it with my hand. There we go. Oh. Alright, there we go. Lift it up a little bit. Sorry about how dark it is. I'm in my house and my granny just picked me up from school. My mom has a meeting. Alright, come on, Bubba. Oh, gotta grab the key. I'll go ahead and put this helmet on. Oh. Oh, dude, why'd you fart? Bro, I can't even see the key. I'm just trying to like... Oh. Oh, they moved the keyboard. No wonder why I can't find it. Bro, dude seriously farted. I don't know if you could hear that. Dude, come on. You stink. Oh. It's coming down a little bit harder. They say this thing I got is GoPro. Nah, shoot, that's who made it. They say it's waterproof. We're about to find out. Oh, I just realized I put tape to hold this thing down. On here. And a little bit of stickers. I hope the tape don't wear. If it does, that's gonna suck. Alright. I probably should check and see if this thing is working like it should. And the camera angle is not bad. So that's what I'm gonna do. Oh, it's alright, I guess. Oh, my helmet. Stay. Stay in the yard. Whoever parked these vehicles got them close together. Hell in, probably gonna crash. Sorry about that little sticker. My mama put that on there. And she won't let me take it off. Stay! Other than that sticker. Nah, the sticker's alright. It's a Calcutta sticker. Oh, you follow me? Come on. Load up. Don't jump off though. Come on. Get up. Dude. Yeah, bring all the mud with you. Good job, dude. Hold on, Bubba. Why did I not gear down? Dang, I'm done. Hold on. There's a lot of it right there, too. Bro, this is paradise, ain't it? Don't you love the mud, Bubba? Oh. Yep, this is what I mean. He likes to jump off. Retard, little retard. Bro, move, dude, so I don't want to hit you, homie. Bro, deal with on a daily basis. You good now? Come on, let up. Bro, why do you like this side more than that side? Bro, I wish I could ride in that. Dude, why are you waiting on me, homie? Whatever. Better not scratch this paint, buddy. You got your warning. Yeah, cow coated MMA, like fishing baits and coolers. This is deeper than expected. Oh, it's starting to rain harder. Hold on, Bubba. My jeans is soaked. My phone ripped in my phone. I gotta change jeans anyway. I wish I would have wore something other than, I might have to change underwear too, because this water might go through, honestly. Imagine this thing was So I have to do it now. Oh. I don't know where he went. No one really do it. Now, it don't look deep, but it actually might be. I thought that floating stuff was the ground. Oh. Hold on. Oh, no, I didn't go over the muffler. Water just got in the muffler when it bounced up. Oh, well, my heart on a sleep. Bro, I need to stop. This is so crazy. Oh, stage been broke so many times. Oh, this ain't body out here. Alright, I'm not trying to flip because this ground's not really good to donuts on. But we're about to hit some real weak donuts. Oh! Hold on! Ah, I just went on 2 wheels, I'm pretty sure. This is weak, but oh well. Up, dudes, bro, chill. Alright. I'm about to hit it. Actually, I probably shouldn't do this because if my parents see this, I get in big trouble. For the views, this is about to be weak. I ain't done this in a minute. Alright, I hope my parents don't see this. Deuce, come on! If they see this, wrist and pepperonis. Hopefully they can understand you gotta do some things for the content. Stage been broke so many times. Dude's been tired so many times. Oh, I know where another mud hole is. I would speed to it, but retard will probably jump off. No, this ain't what I'm talking about. Oh! Alright, Deuce, I think he knows where we're going. Bro, what's that white stuff on your head, homie? What happened there, Deuce? Somebody's there. I think probably Alien. Little pig. Alien, if you're watching this, I'm sorry, and I'm just playing. Bro, he like jumped into the plastic. Oh my god. Not plastic, but frame. He was running after a bird. He thought he could catch that. Go, Deuce! Get him! What is he after? I think he's just running so he thinks I'm gonna run him over, probably. Dude! You gonna get on? Nope. Oh, he's after a butterfly. I should have guessed that. Dang. He's running. Bro, he's running from me. I'm not trying to hit you. Oh, don't go in the field, Daddy. You get mad at us. Even though we had to go in one field. Oh, yeah. I got stuck in this before. Let me get it down just a little. That was not as fun as I expected. So we have to hit it again. Until it's as fun as I expected. Alright, please be as fun as I expected. Oh, I probably shouldn't have done that. Get on! Come on! Dude, let up! Dang, you drooling, homie. Dude, out of all the water you've seen, you still haven't drunk any. sorry, dudes. I went a little bit too short, pressed it a little bit too hard for you on here. I hope you can handle second gear, Bubba. Now third gear. Alright, I'm about to go change after I do this outro. Wow, I expected there to be water right here, but no. Well, the mud hole that I expected to be over here was absolutely let down. Oh, we still got a little bit of riding. We can go down the road. I hope that change gear doesn't that weird. That's all. Hopefully down here doesn't let us down. Bro, this was weak also. And I'm not even gonna try going down here. I know there ain't nothing. I keep this side of the road nice. Probably should have geared down, but oh well. I would try and spit up my McLeod, but this is back here flat this, but what a boy's back here. Alright, I'm about to go change. Oh, I just realized it stopped raining. Dang, I'm going bop bop. Making my way through the block. Oh. Skirt. Why is there that sitting there? I'm gonna make whoever gets on the players next mad so they can't get out. No getting out for you. Alright, peace out, guys. See you on the next video. No promises when that'll be. Deuce, do you have any words for the camera? Bird, butterfly. You see something you want to chase? That's how my dad says he sounds. And this is what my dad said he will do if he ever catches a butterfly. He hasn't caught one yet. He's gonna name him George. Alright, see y'all. Bruh.